Today we're making chickpea chocolate chip cookies. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of ground oat, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a cup of powdered peanut butter, or you could use regular peanut butter. 1 cup of vegan chocolate chips. If you don't have chocolate chips on hand, you can also chop up a chocolate bar and add it to the bowl. Stir the ingredients together until everything is incorporated. You'll need 1 can of chickpeas that you'll add to a food processor, 1/3 cup plus 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, pulse until smooth. Pour the liquid ingredients into a bowl, add 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, and mix to incorporate. Add the dry mixture to the bowl. Stir until just incorporated, being careful to not overmix. I like to bake these cookies in the air fryer. To do this, I cut out squares of parchment paper that I then spoon the dough batter onto. I include oven instructions in the description section of this video. In the air fryer, these bake for 5 minutes at 370 degrees Fahrenheit. These have such a nice golden brown finish to them. I carefully remove the parchment paper by flipping the cookie onto the spatula as I transfer to the cooling rack. Then I prep more. This recipe makes a dozen cookies. If they're not quite done, I keep the parchment paper under the cookie as it cools. I finish these with a sprinkle of salt. Look how pretty and melty these cookies are. It's just very hard to not jump right into one. Don't tell. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.